my brother for no reason. Hunt a nigga down, I'm a demon. I got your bitch all on her knee.
Good morning, family. Good morning. Today's another day to be great, another day to chase our dreams. If you woke up today, you have no excuses to not be chasing your dreams, no matter how you feel. I have a headache right now. My head is busting. This shit is like boom, 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 going crazy right now. But I'm about to hop on the VIP Trading Network. We're about to see if we can catch some trades. CPI was at 830. We didn't trade CPI. Yesterday, we made $1,076 catching one trade. We're going to see if we can do the same thing today. If not, catch more. But if we do lose, we're going to make sure we keep the risk managed because that's all we can control. Let's see. We got some people in here so far. We got Kino. Got the gang in here. But you know what I'm saying? We about to get to work. Just took 30 longs. You know what I'm saying? We got in at the retracement. This is the low from 830. This is about a 50-point stop loss. Ideally, I'm looking for price to reach for this previous high up here for this first trade. Worst case, it comes down and wicks us out. But then after that, I don't really have another trade idea, so it'll probably just be one and done. But we shall see. Anything happen. Just got to give it time. Called it out in the VIP Trader Network. So let's see if we can catch a good trade on the first trade of the day. Oh, that's TP1. Yes, sir. Woo. Yeah, that shit going now. See, that was that momentum. See, honestly, TP2 is where I'm taking it. Don't care. We gonna get that TP2. Not yet, not yet. Let my shit hit first, bro. Hold on. Hold on. Keep moving. And that is TP. That's all out TP2. That's a bando. That's 2 days in a row. Look, Kino recording too. Fucking clout. And just like that, look at that, bro. 1 to 4. Called out in the private inner circle. Called out in the VIP Trading Network. Oh my God. Another day and I'm done before. I was done before 10:30. I waited for the full trade to hit TP. This is 244 points. Crazy trade. I only took one and it was successful. I just journaled it as always. One trade for the day. Up $1,010 trading E-mini Dow. And that's what I'm about to put over here. We are up 110 for the day. And how much was the risk reward? It was about a 1 to 2. So that's 2 days in a row. We're already up. The last 3 days, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, all been dubs. We're up crazy. And you can see it's still going crazy. One thing I do got to say, though, is the markets right now are definitely moving way better than they were in the beginning of the year. Towards the end of 2023, the markets are moving right now. The setups are playing out smoothly. They're moving at the right times, around the 9:30 to 10 a.m. We're getting volume. It's not too choppy. We're trending in one direction. We're going towards all-time highs. It's moving very smooth. And as you can see, the last 2 days, I haven't been in long trades. I probably was in this trade for maybe about 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes total. Yesterday, I was in a trade for 3 minutes, and I've been able to make about almost $2,100 in the last 2 days. I'm not going to be taking trades tomorrow because one of the rules that I have is if I win 2 days in a row, I'm not going to trade the third. If I lose 2 days in a row, I'm not going to trade the third. Doing that is going to allow me to not over risk, not over trade, not get greedy, and not have FOMO. It's going to keep me structured. I'm not going to do any dumb shit. It just keeps me in the game. The name of the game is stay in the game to be able to catch trades, to be able to make money long term. Yeah, so if we look at the overall performance, it was a 14-minute trade and we made 1,010. It was overall, we made about $9.98 for the day because we had to pay for the commission, but that's fine. I don't really care. And we made the $2 yesterday with the extra $70. But right now I'm about to head to the gym. I have a few things. I'm actually going out somewhere later, so make sure you stay to the end of the vlog because you're going to see some entertainment. What it's like to be a trader living in Florida and actually enjoy the nice weather and go do something outside instead of sitting here in front of these computers giving myself a massive headache. Before I get off the charts for the day, just look at that trade. Just flying. So beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm hitting legs. I don't want to hit no arms or back today. I've been hitting upper body all week for like the last 7 days. I'm just going to kill my legs today overall. But we're in the gym. That's the main thing. Regardless if I'm here and I'm going to go hard or if I'm going to have a shitty workout, I'm here and I'm going to work out for my 30 minutes and I'm going to get that 1% better nonetheless. And I'm going to be here tomorrow also. But I mainly wanted to talk to you guys about understanding winning. Winning is going to happen when you have a successful system in trading. When you have a successful plan, successful foundation, you can win in anything. When it comes to fitness, business, entrepreneurship, relationships, life, you can win and wins are going to happen and you are going to take wins. But you also are going to take losses. It's just part of the game. It's a duality of life. You can't have wins without losses. You can't go up without things coming down. It's how it is. It's how the market is. It's how the world works. Nothing is perfect. And the last 2 days, I've had 2 successful days that were actually very smooth and simple, but it's not always like that. You got to understand that environments like this is when you get cocky. This is when you get greedy. This is when you think you're better than what you really are. Because anybody can win a trade. Anybody can make money trading. Who's going to do it consistently? Because I might have won 2 days in a row, but if I trade tomorrow and I take a loss and I take another trade and I lose and I take another trade and I lose, the first 2 days that I had successful trades and I did follow the rules and I did do what I was supposed to, then cancel out and they don't mean shit no more. You got to stay in the game. You got to remember each day is as important as the last. Today is as important as yesterday. Tomorrow is going to be as important as today and the next day. Each day could potentially lose it all. You're one trade away from blowing your account. You're one trade away from seeing the success you want to see. You're one day away from changing your life. But if you do the things in the temporary, try to get that gratification, they're gonna ruin it. Winning is gonna happen, wins are gonna happen. You gotta understand how to control yourself when you take too many wins, when you take too many losses. You gotta understand yourself. You gotta control yourself. A lot of the time in trading, we are the reason we fail. We are the reason we lose money, over trade, over risk, blow an account. When it comes to anything negative, it's all up, comes down to us every single time. And we have a certain topics that are already like maybe structured for us. Like every time is this, we ask the same shit. You know what I mean? Or talk about the same shit. Because even if it's just education, even if we say the same thing, if it's valuable, what are they gonna say? They can't really say, oh, why you teaching us the same thing? Because you need to know it. Not even necessarily as fundamental topics, just like how you can like niche down. Like, you know how you can relate trading to business and then you can kind of go around. We'll give them everything because I don't want to talk about trading the whole entire time. I'm not gonna do that. Because for one, we know trading itself, everything else outside of life is gonna trickle down into trading anyway. But at the end of the day, you just gotta do what you gotta do. You have to have the goals every day. You have to have the routine and you have to have the daily action steps that are gonna lead you to being successful. And it doesn't matter how repetitive your days are, that's good. Your days should be repetitive. You should be doing the same things every day, every week, but those things that you're doing are leading you to becoming a better person every single day. That's the only way you improve. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to become disciplined overnight. You're going to not become a good trader overnight. You don't build a city overnight. You build a city brick by brick by brick by brick, one brick at a time. You don't skip nothing. Pyramids took time. All the best things take time. And it doesn't matter how fast you see a level of success. You could lose it all. It's faster than you ever got it. Trust me. It's happened. And I'm never going to let it happen again. But it happened when it was supposed to because I needed to learn those things at that time. I learned everything I learned when I was supposed to, not when I wanted to.
I was trying to do it, but for other people, but that shit just, like I said, it don't work the way I wanted to.
Nah, they don't see the vision. I be feeling the same way. Like the way I record, like if I could be my own videographer, that shit would be crazy. Cause I could see the vision, but it's hard to like have someone else transfer the vision. Like it has to be like a certain type of person. Like
it's the intention behind it and the energy. People can feel emotions, and we are emotional beings. So if you talk about something emotional and you inspire, that's what you do.
Content creation, trying to solve problems is all pain points. If you can figure out where someone's like they really feel that shit, that's what's gonna hit.
It looks green. Look.
Goofy, not getting no money. I'm kinda blue hunters making niggas sick. Gucci Chanel, she loving the drip. I'm in a trap house getting rich. These niggas, I like some bitches. I pull up a sticks and let them bitches hit. I'm a real nigga, I hang with them shooters. I swear to God, they don't get like savage. Where you been? Trapping, tryna get it in. This fuck nigga keep on dodging me, so I'm gon' shoot his friend. Never fool, never been. Stay running to the end. I'm a double cross a snake and evil villain. Don't pretend. I'm rolling no cookies, my bag with the stuff. I'm smoking that loud, you smoking that hush. I kick down your door, I want all the drugs.
Kick down your door, we want all the drugs. Just a little kid, I looked up to the plug. Ever since then, I've been trapping real hard. I live what I rap, but you know you a fraud. I really be trapping, I don't do no fraud.
You niggas is goofy, not getting no money. I'm kinda blue hunters making niggas sick. Gucci Chanel, she loving the drip. I'm in a trap house getting rich. These niggas, I like some bitches. I pull up with sticks and let them bitches hit. I'm